In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel the subscription that's causing the charge directly from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Before canceling anything, it's important to know that apple.com/bill isn't usually a charge for Apple hardware. Instead, it refers to a subscription or purchase you made through your Apple ID. For example, if you have like Apple Music, iCloud Plus, Apple TV, Apple Arcade, Apple News, Apple One. So, for example, you also have a third party subscriptions purchased through the App Store. So, to stop future charges, you need to cancel the active subscription associated with your Apple ID. So, what I want you to do is go to your iPhone or iPad and open the Settings app. Now, if you can, go to your Apple ID profile where your name and profile picture appears. This will open up your Apple account settings. Now, inside your Apple ID settings, go to subscription. This will display every active and expired subscription linked to your Apple account. Give it a moment to load if you have multiple subscriptions. And of course, from your browse through the list and tap the subscription that's generating the recurring charge. And of course, you can see some details such as current billing plan, renewal date, subscription price, and maybe some available plan options. I need you to take a moment to verify you've selected the correct subscription before continuing. Now, if you can see the cancel subscription or cancel free trial, depending on your plan, Apple will ask you to confirm your decision and tap confirm to finish canceling. Once completed, the subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, but it won't renew automatically. Okay, so basically that's it for today's video on how you cancel an apple.com/bill subscription and stop future recurring charges. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.